Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I'm going to be solving a problem for you guys. We've all been in that situation where we have unwanted guests coming at our place and we end up making some random snacks for them which are 90% aloo tikkis. And so that's why I'm here to show you a recipe that is a very quick and easy tikki recipe, not high on effort or ingredients. But the fun part about this recipe is that it's made with beetroot, so it's gonna be bright pink in color, very appealing, very appetizing, and it's gonna have a molten cheese center. And just for the crunchy element, we're gonna coat this tikki in some sesame oil and sesame seeds. So when you cook it, you get some nice crunch on the outside. So let's check out this recipe.